We were on vacation, sitting on the beach in Rhode Island, when our nanny called to let us know that she had been in the house and found water coming from the ceiling onto the floors and had been accumulating for what may have been 3 to 4 days.
Our little area was devastated. A lot of houses in our area burnt all the way to the ground.
I was actually out of town and got a phone call that a pipe on the second floor of my condo broke.
I was awakened at about 4:30 in the morning by the police banging on the door almost in a panic, saying there's a wildfire coming towards your ranch.
And my focus was trying to find a firm that I thought was reputable, that I could trust, and also could get the project done as quickly as possible.
I chose Allied.
He just reassured me that we would have an open dialogue on, how we wanted things done.
But I really, honestly felt that I just wanted to go with Allied.
Seemed to go about things in a very methodical and seemingly sensible way.
But I do believe that the customer service at Allied is really remarkable, particularly in a space where it's often hard to get somebody to respond to you.
In the early beginning, you took control of it. I had a sense that there was somebody there who cared about this and was going to get it done.
Allied took charge and basically assured us that they would make sure that the ash was removed from every place.
So once Allied got involved, we were just thrilled to get the attention and the walkthrough and the detailed plan with the dates and the start date of Monday.
I'd rate them a 10. I mean, they really took care of us, every single person.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give Allied a 10.
That says a lot for a company. That's the kind of company I want.
They're exceptional in terms of what they did. They were neat, they were clean, they were prompt.
And I would tell you that you restored the house, in my opinion, to equal or better condition from the day I bought it.
They were human and kind to what our needs were in this time where it was, hard for us.
They fixed it, and not only did they fix it, but they fixed it on time. And who can you say actually finishes a job with corrections that need to be fixed?
You don't get frustrated in working with them or communicate with them. That's the most important part also, other than the good job is done.
Oh yes, Allied would be the number one I would recommend. In fact, after my second contractor that I interviewed to do the work, I never asked for anybody else.
I would definitely give them a 10. I would feel comfortable referring them to friends and family.
Allied is a construction company that is a very, sophisticated, high-level, detailed, great company.
I loved you guys. I mean, you were saving me through the worst situation, and I was going through it alone, and you were my man. You really took care of me.
It is probably the first construction job that I have done that I feel like went smooth, that I feel like, and since then I've hired them back to do like 2 or 3 other things, so I mean, that tells you something about them.
Allied, a disaster restoration company providing a platinum level of customer service.